Stop scrolling if you love adrenaline and ingenuity. The world of rat rod racing has always thrived on fierce rivalries that push the boundaries of speed and creativity. In the 1950s and 60s, local legends like Mad Dog McKinney and Slick Reynolds transformed junkyard scraps into fearsome drag strip contenders, igniting a culture of one-upmanship that still inspires builders today. Their rivalry wasn't just about crossing the finish line first. It was a battle of ideas and mechanical skill. Each race saw new innovations: custom welded frames, scavenged airplane parts for lighter bodies, and homemade nitrous systems, all crafted in backyard garages with limited resources. Spectators flocked to see whose wild invention would dominate next, fueling a community driven by passion and creativity. These contests didn't just entertain, they sparked a DIY movement that encouraged experimentation and resourcefulness. Today's rat rod enthusiasts honor this legacy, turning salvaged metal and discarded engines into rolling works of art and high-performance machines. The spirit of those historic showdowns lives on, reminding us that true innovation is born from passion, rivalry, and the relentless pursuit of speed and originality.